Good morning, student. Today I will tell the class 9th first chapter, that is the village of the Palampur. It is the imaginary village. We will study about them and we will study what are the various features of this particular village we study in this chapter. It is a so interesting chapter. In this chapter we will study the facilities and what are the various products are growing there in the Palampur. We will study. See, the farming is the main activity of the village Palampur. Farming is the main activity of the village Palampur, and in the agricultural field in our India also the main production factor is the farming. Farming is our India is the agricultural based in country. Okay, and if we will talk about the Palampur. In the Palampur, the small scale in manufacturing, dairy, transport, and are the carried out in the limited scale. And the Palampur is the well connected with the neighboring villages and the towns also. Palampur is the well connected with the neighboring villages and the towns also. And the Raiganj is the big village. Raiganj is the big village 3 kilometers from the Palampur. That is the Shahpur. And many kinds of transport are also visible on this road, starting from the bullock carts, tongas, bogies loaded with the jaggery, and the other commodities are also there to transport there to the motor vehicles, by the motor vehicles like the motorcycles and jeeps, and the trucks and the tractors are used for transporting the things from one place to the another place. And the Palampur also the well developed village. Here the electricity facilities are also good, by which the tubes are generated, and the 2 primary schools are there and 1 high schools are there, and the PHC facility, primary health centers, are done by the government, and the private hospital are available in the Palampur. And the well developed system of the roads are available, transports are available, electricities are available, and the schools and the health centers are available there. And the farming is the main factor of the Palampur village. And the production activity and some also production activities are also held there. That the production activities are what small manufacturings are there, cotton industries are there, and some transport facilities are there, and shopkeepings are also available in the village Palampur. So now we will study about the organization of the production. What do you mean by the organization? Organization means sangathan. When the many peoples are unite together, that place is called that system is called the organization. And what is the production? Production means that to produce the goods and the various services. That is called the production. And production, for the production, what the things are needed? First, the land is needed. Land is needed, and also the water, forest, and the mineral resources are available for the production of anything. And see, when we will start any production, or any industry, first the things is that the land. On the land we do anything. Without land, anybody cannot start any production. Okay. And second is the labor. Labor is needed. If you have land, then who will work over there? The person will work. The human manual work is there. By the manual work we can do anything, and those people who are doing the work as a manual, we have to pay the remuneration for that. So labor is so much important. Third is the capital. Money is so much important for the production of anything. But in the capital also, one is the physical capital, second is the working capital. What is the physical capital? Physical capitals are physical capital, or the fixed capital are those capital which can work over last many years, like motors, generators are used for many years. And the working capital are the money and the human power. Okay, in the next lecture I will tell the next point of this particular chapter. Thank you.